Move over. It is wonderful to see our mission graced by the presence of so many evil-looking sinners. Now, who will I start the ball rolling by giving testimonies?
Betty, give testimony.
Come, brothers, I know it is difficult. Let one of you give testimony to the sin that is in his heart. Anyone?
Tommy!
No way!
Tommy! And show all these people the bad things you done, but ain't gonna do no more. And watch your language.
Well, I used to be bad. Well, real bad when I was a kid. But ever since then, I got good. As you can see from my record, 33 arrests and no convictions.
Harry!
Oh no.
Harry
Like when Sky rolled us for our souls.
I don't understand.
He wrote us $1,000 against our souls. That's why we're here.
I still don't understand.
I do, General. He means that they're all only here because Mr. Masterson won them in a dice game.
How wonderful! This whole meeting result of gambling shows good can come out of evil. Sergeant Sarah, you've done remarkable work.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
We will now hear testimony from Brother Nicely Johnson.
Yeah, no.
Well, it happened to me kind of funny, you see. Like a dream. That's it, a dream.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood. The passengers saw and fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel round your checkered coat.
Sit down, you're rocking the boat.
I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers, they were bound to resist. For the people all said, beware, you're on that people all said, beware, and the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie round your wicked throat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat down. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under with a soul so heavy you'll never float. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down.